been asking me to make food for you guys, but I've been busy with my kids and end of the year school things. Now I started and I just decided to make a video. I'm making macaroni au gratin. I know you've been talking about, oh, why am I doing it in English? Why not in Creole? The reason why I did my last video in English is because I had some friends. They are American, they don't speak Creole, and they've been asking me to make it. So I'm going to mix it, say a part in English, part in Creole, to try to satisfy both of you guys. Now, sorry, I already started. I have my rigatoni macaroni boiling. I just put some salt and a little oil in the water, and it's boiling. I'm using 2 boxes, and I have my ham, a butter, different kind of cheese, because I like when the flavor is mixed. You cannot tell what it is. And my peas, sweet peas. I got my corn. Oh, this is for my bechamel sauce, because I'm making a bechamel sauce. My milk. This is my mustard, pepper, cayenne pepper, a little white pepper, a little spice. And here I have shallots, a shallot, green and red bell pepper, a little parsley, thyme, and rosemary. So let's continue. Now I'm gonna chop up my meat. I might have a lot of stuff out. I might not use everything at once. I just put everything out, but I might not use everything. So I really appreciate the comments from my last video, and I'm gonna try to please you guys by making some more videos and more often as I can. So I'm gonna chop my meat, dice it, not too big. It doesn't have to be even. I know some people are picky, they want everything perfect, but nobody's gonna really be studying the meat because it's gonna be mixed with the macaroni and everything else. Some people use the sliced meat, yeah, just like the little cubes. It's just a preference thing. If you want, you can use the slice and just cut it little pieces. But don't do it too big, guys. I'm making 2 boxes, so I don't want too much meat in there. I expect 1.5 is gonna be good enough. I'm going to grate my cheese. I have a lot of cheese, like I said. Let me check on this. good. If it's too cooked, when you mix it, it's gonna break, and you don't want that. Now I'm going to drain my macaroni, and I'll be back in a few. Hey guys, I'm back. So I started to grate the cheese. I have different 4 different cheese here. I have the pepper jack, and this is the Cracker Barrel Vermont Sharp White, and this one is the Sharp. These are cheddar cheese, and then this is the Parmesan and some mozzarella cheese in there as well. So I'm grating the cheese, because you know macaroni gratin, it takes a lot of cheese. If you don't like cheese, you're not gonna like my macaroni, because I put a lot of cheese, different flavor of cheese in there. So I think that's enough. So the rest we're gonna put on top of the macaroni for the crust. So si mte Haiti ou bien si mte gen moun ki te sot Haiti, mta pti pote fromage tête de mort pour moi. Nous même haïtiens natifs nataliens nous connaissons les fait macaroni ou bien lasagna, c'est fromage tête de mort nous mettons là. Nous pas la caille nous fait ça nous joint. So let me put everything in there just to make room. À votre santé. Now I'm going to start with the bechamel sauce. Oh. Guys, this is something completely different. You know what's in there? That's hot chocolate. Haitian hot chocolate. So. Put the light on. I had a little water on the stove. I don't know where that water came from. So I had to wipe it off. Now, sorry, my mom put water in the pot. Okay, let me cover my pot. Couvrir pour le cas chauffer plus vite. So I'm gonna drain my peas and my corn. Okay, now my pot is hot, so I'm putting my butter. I'm gonna make my goo. Not a lot of flour because you don't want it to come out too thick. Remember, you're gonna have the cheese in there. So like three tablespoons of flour. You don't want it too thick. It's pretty, right, guys? I put 1 stick of butter. Butter make everything taste good. I'm gonna put my peppers and herbs in there. Let me get my cutting board. Take every little single piece. It smells so good, guys. You won't believe how good that smells. Now put in the ham. I'm gonna add some more liquid to that. You see how pretty it looks, guys? I haven't put the cheese yet. I'm gonna add another can of milk. Just rinse it a little bit, the milk, and let me turn this down a little. You see the cheese? Yeah. I know you wish you were here. You wish you knew me, guys. Another can of milk and some more water. Bon, elle passe son petit de l'eau dans sa timon. Passe son petit de l'eau. Si le besoin plus liquide, je mette. But, pas mettre un paquet liquide là dans un seul coup. Fromage yo boile fond, le fromage la fin fond là, la vin bon bay goui. Vous passez macaroni en là-dedans. Ouais, je le belle. So, même papa ajouter sel là-dedans parce que c'est tout fromage